Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix a Bilibili loading failed or not working problem. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, what you need to do is simply go ahead, access your web browser, type in bilibili.tv/en or .bilibili.com. You can also open up your app. Now if you're having problem in your application in your mobile phone, first thing you need to do is, for both your web browser or your app, is that you need to check out your internet connection. If your internet connection is not good, then that could cause the problem. Go ahead, refresh your internet and then switch to another one if the existing one is not working. Do it both on your mobile phone and on your laptop. Next thing is simply go ahead and refresh your website again and again, and that should also help you out. Now another thing, in your mobile you can go ahead, delete the cache files of your app, or you can reinstall it. And for the website's sake, you can go ahead, exit the page and then revisit the page, and you're good to go. That's all it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.